This KuCoin promotion is paying 100% on Tether for the next 7 days. If you put your money in there, you're going to get 100% return on it for 7 days. All you got to do is let it sit there. The great thing is that USDT is a stable coin, which it doesn't fluctuate with the market like Bitcoin up here. But even that's giving a 0.35%. But and 100%, 7 days. You see right there it says 100% promotion for 100% on the next 7 days. Is a great way to get in there and try it out. It's a guaranteed return pretty much because it's USDT, which again is a stable coin. Also, if you have someone in your household that is not using it, so if you got a spouse, kid, somebody who can sign up for KuCoin, they can definitely do this. Go in here and look because you see that they have a tiered rate down here of 5.1% flexible rate promotion. That's still a very good one when you're looking at USDT because again, price doesn't fluctuate. You got the savings down there that is compounded at 1%. That's still pretty good. And then you got the 0.25% promotion down at the bottom for a 30-day rate. Go check them out. KuCoin, I'll leave the link for you to go and sign up, get it, and try it out. 100% APR. You can't beat it. You can also scan my code down here. That is my referral code. Check us out on kvwealthbuilders.com. I'll make sure there's a link over there too.